Here we go, guys. 2007 Leaf best of 2017 Leaf best of baseball single box.
Hopefully making the audience feel something meaningful.
Random letters numbers 101 and 102. So first two boxes of this final sealed case that we have in stock. Good luck. 22 total spots in each break.
His description in 1981 of rookie sensation Fernando Valenzuela's storybook season.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We hit number 6. We'll roll again. This is the choose the box for 101. Of course. 4 times, or the fourth box down. And for the randomization, we'll hit the randomizer 3 times. Good luck.
Because that's what you should do with a gift. Share it. For the lucky ones, the sound of his voice is ingrained in your memories.
Coban on the bottom, LA Kings fan for life up top. 1, 2, 3. YBJ on top, Jay Nolan number 22.
The sweetness of your first bite of watermelon. Beating the heat by plunging into a cold swimming pool. My audible relationship with Vin Scully was born
Y on the bottom and A on top. 1, 2, third and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your winners. Good luck. 3. N on the top and S on the bottom.
To downtown, to the beaches, valleys, and beyond. His ubiquity made him synonymous with the culture of Los Angeles. And in Hollywood, where anniversaries are often measured.
YBJ on the top with N, and the YBJ on the bottom with T.
Many of us had some challenging years growing up here in Los Angeles. At times, Vin was like a surrogate father advising us. Other times, he was a favorite teacher inspiring us, or a best friend comforting us. But despite whatever hardships you might have been going through at the time, Vin could somehow make you think that, at least for the duration of the game, everything was going to be okay.
All right, here we go. Good luck.
He got your attention with pinpoint focus on the game. At times, especially during blowout games, he even allowed your mind to wander with him as he described the sway of the palm trees in the breeze, or the formation of clouds above the stage. There was just something about his manner that made it feel as
Blake Rutherford, number to 25, letter R.
It seemed intimate and private, like you were sharing a secret.
That is Buday.
For 67 years, he gave us more years than we could ever ask for. We cheered when he was inducted into the Baseball Hall of Fame. We beat
And the buyback.
pride when he received the Presidential Medal of Freedom. And last year, when he announced
Manny Machado, autograph patch. This is at a Topps Strata. Nice looking card. 2016 Topps Strata. 27 to 59 with a 10 sig.
that we don't get to listen to him anymore.
M. LA Kings fan for life. Damon with letter M.
Right
Congrats.
now, we do.
And under a bright blue sky and a brilliant sunset, we're about ready to get this Friday night ball game underway.
All right, box 102. One, two, three, four. If I roll a 5 or a 6, we'll roll again. 6. Box 1. Good luck. We'll hit the randomizer 1 plus 4 5 times on the randomizer. You got it, Damon. Coban on the bottom. Z-Sob 24 up top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Z-Sob 24 number 1. Coban number 22. Y on the bottom, A on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth and final hit, cross fingers, hold winners. 5. F on the top and K on the bottom.
His signature greeting beginning every broadcast. A very pleasant good evening wherever you may be. It is my lifetime honor to present the Icon Award to the incomparable Vin Scully.
1-1 on top with C and Z Sob down at the bottom with F. Alright, here we go.
Hi, everybody, and a very pleasant good evening to you. You know, I've said this for 65 years, but I last said it in October when I retired. And I hope
19 of 25, Don Mattingly for Pugles.
I really would like to take Ryan home with me. He is such a wonderful human being. Flew from New York just to get here for this award.
Good luck.
Now he's flying back to New York. I don't have a relative in the world who would make that kind of a trip.
Ichiro, rookie autograph, Upper Deck Victory.
October 2nd, 1936. A redhead.
The original card is not out, but then signed in person and authenticated PSA. Gonna go to S, Ichiro Suzuki.
World Series. It involved the Giants.
Letter S, fan of Griffey.
That day with baseball.
Very nice. 2001 Upper Deck Victory rookie card.
Was October the 2nd,
Beauty.
2016. Exactly 80 years from whence the love affair began.
Well, there we go.
And in 65.
Thanks again, everybody, for watching and joining. Until next time, peace.
Thrilled and humbled to be